Welcome. Let's take a moment to settle into this present moment. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting, lying down, or somewhere in between. Allow yourself to be supported. If you feel comfortable, gently close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. Let's begin with a deep, cleansing breath. Inhale slowly through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or holding. Again, inhale deeply and exhale completely. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm, easy and gentle. Bring your awareness to your toes. Notice any sensations there. Warmth, coolness, tingling. Just observe. Now, move your attention to your feet. Notice the feeling of your socks or shoes, or simply the air on your skin. Scan up to your ankles. Acknowledge any sensations you find without judgment, just pure awareness. Moving up to your calves. Notice any tension. Can you soften it? Continue scanning upwards to your knees. Take your time. There is no rush. Now to your thighs. Feeling the weight of your legs. Supported. Bring your awareness to your hips and pelvis. Notice any sensations. Release any holding. Scan up to your abdomen. Notice your breath rising and falling. With each exhale, let go a little more to your chest, feeling your heart beating, a source of life and vitality. Bring your attention to your fingers. then your hands, up to your wrists and forearms. Continue to your elbows and upper arms, noticing any sensations along the way. Bring your awareness to your shoulders, often a place of tension. Can you consciously relax them? Scan up your neck. Soften your jaw. Finally, bring your attention to your face, your head. Release any tension you find there. Now feel your whole body relaxed and present. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back into the room. Notice the air on your skin and any sounds you can hear around you. Start to invite some gentle movement into your body. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Stretch gently if that feels good, perhaps reaching your arms overhead. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this time you've given yourself, for your well-being, and for the simple gift of your body. When you feel ready, you can slowly and gently open your eyes, bringing this calm awareness and grounded presence into the rest of your day.